Hello and welcome back to another Razor training video for the VB.NET training course. This is video 5, and in this video we are going to learn some more math operations. Okay, so let's go ahead and open Visual Studio 2008. Okay, we're not going to use the one we used last time in the video before this, but let's just go ahead. We're just going to go ahead and make a brand new one. Okay, go ahead and go to File, New, and Project. Create a new project. Same as always, the project type, Visual Basic, Templates. It will be Windows Form Applications. The name, this time we're going to put Math Operators 2. Last time I put the name as arithmetic and it spelled it completely wrong, so we're going to use some words that I know how to spell. Okay, go ahead and hit OK. And we are greeted with this fresh new form. Okay, like I did in the other video, I'm going to go ahead and change the text property of the form from form1 to math operators 2. Okay, just like as I do in all my other videos, change the start position of the form from Windows default location to center screen. Go ahead and Control S to save, just in case it like freezes or something and you lose all your work. And now that would make me really mad, so I'm guessing it'd probably make you mad too if you lost all of your work. So I'll be saying Control S to save throughout the whole movie, just so mind you not to like screw up all your data and stuff. Okay, but Control S again, there we go. Okay, let's begin by putting a button control in the form. One button control. Let's go ahead and put 2 numeric up-down controls onto the form, and a text box control. If you watch the other math operator movie, our form's gonna look almost exactly like it. Actually, it's gonna look exactly like it probably. But that was just a reminder. Okay, try to make your stuff look like mine. And you should have 2 numeric up-down controls, 1 text box, and 1 button. And once you have those, you are ready to progress. Okay. Now if yours doesn't look like mine, go ahead and pause the video and go ahead and put them on there. Okay, let's start by messing with the first numeric up-down, the one on the very top. Okay, go ahead and change the name from numeric up-down 1 to NUD1. As I said in the other video, the name property is what is going to be referenced to in the code. So if you put this as I don't know, num1, it's going to be referenced into the code as num1. So that means every time, let's say we named this other one num2, and you want to add them, you'll be referencing this one as num1 and the other one was num2. I probably just made it really hard to understand right there, but yeah. Okay, remember the first one, NUD1. NUD is the prefix standing for numeric up-down, and the 1 is just for whatever you want to call it. I just call it 1. Okay, run numeric up-down 2 and change the name property from numeric up-down 2 to NUD2. Hit enter, and now we're on the text box. Okay, and on the text box property of the name, change it from text box 1 to txt, which is the prefix for a text box, and put it as total, as in the other movie. Hit enter, and now your name of it is txt total. And scroll down on the properties menu and go ahead and change the read-only property from false to true, so users cannot change the value that is present in that. Okay, so they can't alter the data in it. Okay, now go ahead to the button 1 and change the text property from button 1, and go ahead and change it from button 1 to compute. Okay, now we are ready to begin to program. Control S to save, and let's double click on the compute button. Okay, now we are going to learn some order of operations in this video. Okay, let's first begin by just typing what I type. Okay, put txt total dot text space equals space. Okay, remember, type just what I type. Okay, NUD1. Oh, what just happened? Okay, NUD1 dot value. The value of NUD1 space plus space. Okay, we're gonna put a parenthesis down. 1 plus NUD2 dot value. And then let's put a closing parentheses, and we are done with that statement. Okay, Control S to save. Now, I'm pretty sure that all of you are aware of what PEMDAS is. PEMDAS is what is also going to be used inside of Visual Basic. PEMDAS meaning parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. That meaning that all the stuff in the parentheses is going to be done first before the exponents and all that stuff after that. So what this is going to do is it's going to first look at the statement and say, I need to do all this stuff in the the parentheses first. So first it's going to add 1 to the NUD2 value. And then it's going to add NUD1 to whatever the answer is for this, or wherever the total is for this. So if NUD2 equals 5, it's going to do 1 plus 5 first, which equals 6, and then it's going to add to NUD1. Even though it's first, the order of operations states that the parentheses go first. And you can also change this up a little bit by putting an asterisk there and make a multiplication. It doesn't really matter, but for right now we'll just put plus. Okay, let's go ahead and Control S to save that. Let's go ahead and debug this by hitting F5 or hitting this little green arrow up here. Go just hit the little arrow. Alright. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, let's do 2 and then 2 in this one. Okay, if this equals 5, there we go. 6 to 9. Okay, you really can't see that if it works because the 1 is just going to get added anyways. Well, let's go ahead and change this sign right here, add the sign after NUD1 dot value, from a plus to a multiplication sign. And this is where we're going to see the order of operations take action more drastically. Okay, let's go ahead and Control S to save. Let's hit F5. Okay, let's see. Let's put 2 times 3, or 2 times 1 plus 3, and we will get a value of 8. Change this in here, and we should get a much bigger number than just add 1. There we go. See, there we go. Increase this number, it's going to increase it massively, and there you go. And that is how you use order of operations inside of the VB.NET programming language. Okay, that is all for this video, and thank you all for watching this video. If you like the series or just want to get a fresh start on VB.NET again, go ahead and subscribe, and get to see all the latest videos of Razor training for the VB.NET training course. And well, that's the end of this video, so thanks for watching. I'll see you all next time. If you have any questions, post a comment. Bye-bye.